Welcome to my channel. How to secure your TP-Link Wi-Fi from cyber threats. 1. Log in to the router. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Hit enter. Log in by entering the credentials, admin, unless it has been changed. 2. Change the admin password. First thing, change the router's login password. The default, admin is default. Go to System Tools then Administration and set a strong one. 3. Rename the Wi-Fi network. Go to Wireless Settings then Basic Settings. Change the SSID, network name. Don't use your name or address in it. Keep it simple. 4. Set a strong Wi-Fi password. Under Wireless Security, use WPA2PSK or WPA3 if available. Create a long password, at least 12 to 15 characters. Avoid birthdays, names, or 12,345,678. That's basically open Wi-Fi for hackers. 5. Turn off WPS. Find WPS settings and disable it. WPS lets people connect with a button or pin, super convenient but also easy to exploit. Better to keep it off. 6. Update the router firmware. Head to System Tools then Firmware Upgrade and check for updates. Download the latest one if it's available. Firmware patches close security holes that hackers use. 7. Disable remote management. Go to Security then Remote Management and turn it off. This stops anyone from accessing your router's settings from outside your home network. 8. Hide the network, optional. You can hide the SSID so it doesn't show up in public scans. Go to Wireless Settings and uncheck Enable SSID Broadcast. It's optional but adds another layer of privacy. 9. Check for unknown devices. Open DHCP client list or connected devices. Go through the list. If something looks unfamiliar, block it or change your Wi-Fi password right away. 10. Back up the settings. After all changes, go to System Tools then Backup and Restore and save your configuration. If the router resets later, just restore from that file instead of starting from scratch. That's all. It just takes 10 minutes hardly. Once doing everything, your Wi-Fi is pretty solid against cyber threats. Just remember to change the password every few months for safety. Thanks for watching.